Introducing the patented Tip Grip Tape Measure and Guide. The tape measure with the new padded non-slip tip grip, which provides speed and accuracy in marking or cutting never before possible. This is the tip grip with its raised padded grip. Here are all the tools and steps you might use to make a straight cut in gypboard. Or you could keep trying it this way. But this works much better. Quick, easy cuts every time. The tip provides the positive grip to make quick, accurate cutouts for electrical outlets, lights, or any other openings in drywall. Without tip grip, marking wood products presents the same challenge: the instability, slipping and sliding. Using tip grip makes it a breeze. It's great for marking tile and makes cutting insulation quick and easy. Remember, tip grip with its raised padded non-slip grip provides speed and accuracy in marking or cutting never before possible.